Hello. Today I'm not going to do any bonsai with this Japanese maple. I'm going to show you how I keep my trees growing faster and stronger by repotting them into larger pots, trying to simulate having them on the ground instead of pots. I press the pot a little bit to release the dirt from the sides of the pot, and usually it's enough for the tree to come up. It was enough. I'm just going to clean up a little bit all this how do you call this? One other advantage of repotting is the fact that you use new substrate, and usually the new substrate has some fertilizer on it. Okay, so I'm not going to remove any of this soil that's holding the roots. I'm just going to put it inside of a new pot without disturbing the roots. And for the new substrate, I'm going to use some organic matter that I had on my compost bin, and I bought substrate. I have substrate for orchids. I don't know how to say. And I use this substrate for orchids. This is the proper way to say it. It's like bark, moss, composted as well. And I do not press any of the new substrate down the pot. I wanted to have like room for the oxygen to travel around. And that's it. It's not hard at all. I try to keep the trunk base clean as it was. I try not to put dirt on top of what I had. And it's going back to its location. Now let's see if I have strength enough to put this on the place that it belongs.